Hey everyone, Ted Morrow here from the Cash Flow Association. I've got a real question for you today, and I want you to think about this honestly. Why aren't you making the easy $10,000 I just showed you? Last week I posted a simple system right here in the community. All you do is open a US bank account using the link I gave you. You deposit $50 from your debit card, and they give you $25 back. That alone is a win, but it gets better. They also give you a referral link. Every time someone signs up through your link, they get $25 and you get $75. You can do this over and over again, up to $10,000 a year in referral bonuses. This is a real bank. It's FDIC insured, it's safe, and it works. So why aren't you doing it? Is it because you don't believe it's true? Is it because you don't trust me? Or is it just easier to sit on the couch, scroll your phone, and tell yourself you'll figure it out later? Let me be real with you. This isn't about money. It's about habits. It's about whether or not you take action when opportunity shows up. This is one of those moments. You can set this up in less than 10 minutes, then just share your link with a few people and collect $75 per person. If you do nothing, you get nothing. But if you take action, you can put real money in your life fast. Go to the link right now. It's tedspath.com/make25easy. That's tedspath.com/make25easy. Claim your 25. Get your referral link, share it, help others win, and build real cash flow. Let's get it.